Hey there, what is up you guys? So today I'm going to be doing a DIY on how I install my Turner Motorsport carbon fiber high kick spoiler. So I decided to go with something more aggressive than the OEM spoiler. I chose the Turner Motorsport carbon fiber one. The weave, it's a 1x1 carbon fiber weave, and I think that matches my rear diffuser perfectly. It's not extremely aggressive as I've seen on the M4, M3 replica models for this car. I think this is a perfect fit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So the first thing I did was I went to Harbor Freight, bought this $10 heat gun, and what I did was just pretty much heat things up, heat the glue underneath the OEM spoiler. That was quite easy. And after that, I removed the remainder of the glue with a 3M rubber wheel adhesive remover. I just locked that onto my drill and pretty much literally just came off. So for the next step, I decided to give the car a good decontamination wash just to kind of clean the trunk, with any embedded contaminants or leftover glue or residue. So for the last prep step, I decided to go with Meguiar's 105 compound, followed by the 205 polish. That gave it a very good mirror finish. And now we're ready to install our new carbon fiber spoiler. I used masking tape to use it as a guide to where the spoiler needed to be, where I wanted it to be for the perfect finish. And from there, I just added 3M double-sided tape to my carbon fiber spoiler, and simple as that. So that'll wrap it up for today, you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as that will help grow the channel. And please let me know in the comments if there's any other thing you guys would like to see based on my 135i. See you guys next time.